Hi everyone, in this video I will going to solve this quadratic problem. The equation we have root of 30 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3 plus 50 to the power of 3. So let's get started the solution. I will going to solve it out by two different methods. In the first step, I will going to spread this 30, 40 and 50 here. 3 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 4 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 times 10 to the power of 3. Now next I will going to apply here the exponential rule, that is a times b whole to the power of m can be written as a to the power of m times b to the power of m. So this equation turns to 3 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. In the next step here, I am going to take the common factor of 10 to the power of 3. Ten to the power of 3, and here this 3 to the power of 3 is remaining, plus 4 to the power of 3 is remaining, plus 5 to the power of 3 is remaining. So next, I will going to simplify it further. So I'm going to write here 10 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 3 is equals to 27. And 4 to the power of 3 is equals to 64. Plus 5 to the power of 3 is equals to 125. And this will be equals to 10 to the power of 3 times 260. Now here I'm going to take out this LCM of this 216. So here we'll get 108 times give us 216 and 254 times give us 108. 227 times give us 54 and 3 9 times and 3 times. So here we get the 3 pairs of 2 and 3 pairs of 3. So here I will going to write down 10 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3. In the next step, I will going to split this 3. 10 to the power of 2 plus 1. 2 to the power of 2 plus 1. And 3 to the power of 2 plus 1. Now, here I was going to apply the exponential rule, that is a to the power of m plus n can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So this equation turns to 10 to the power of 2 times 10 times 2 to the power of 2 times 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 3. And here I will going to write the 10 to the power of 2 and 2 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 2 in this same bracket, because we have the common power here, 10 times 2 times 3 and whole to the power of 2. And this I'm going to write in one bracket. Now here this square and this root get cancelled. So the next expression we'll get, that is 10 times 2 times 3 root of 10 times 2 times 3. Here 10 2 times give us 20 and 20 3 times give us 60. Root, now here I'm going to write 2 5 times, 2 times 3. Now I'm going to multiply here this. So here I will get 60 root of 4 times 5 times 3 And the root of 4 we have 60 times 2, root of 5 times 3 will get 15. So 62 times give us 120 root of 15. So this is the final answer. Now we're going to solve it out the same equation by second method. The equation we have 30 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3 plus 50 to the power of 3. Now in replacement of 30 to the power of 3, I'm going to write 30 to the power of 3 is equals to 3 times 10 whole to the power of 3. And 3 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. This will be equals to 27 times 1000. And in replacement of 40 to the power of 3, we're going to solve it out for this. 4 times 10 whole to the power of 3 is equals to 4 cube. 10 cube is equals to 64 times 1000. For this 50 to the power of 3, we're going to solve it out. 50 to the power of 3 is equals to 5 times 10 and whole to the power of 3 is equals to 5 cube times 10 cube is equals to 5 3 times 125 times and 10 3 times give us 1000. Now I was going to plug in all the values. 30 to the power of 3 we got 27 times 1000 plus 40 to the power of 3 we get 64 times 1000. And for 50 to the power of 3, we get 125 times 1000. Now here I will going to multiply. So here we get 27 and 3 zeros plus 64,000 plus like 25,000. And this will be equals to 21630 zeros. Now we're going to split this. We're going to write 216 times 1000. And I will going to write in replacement of this, I already solved it out. That is 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 give us 216. And 1000, here I'm going to add 10 to the power of 3. Now here I will going to write this in the same bracket. 2 times 3 and whole to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. And this will be equals to 6 to the power of 3 times 10 to the power of 3. Next, I will going to split the power here. 6 to the power of 2 plus 1 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 1. Now, I will going to apply the same exponential rule here. So this will, I will going to express 6 to the power of 2 times 6 times 10 to the power of 2 times 10 under root. Now here I will going to apply the radical rule, that is n root of a times b can be written as n root of a times n root of b. So here this will be equals to root of 6 to the power of 2 times root of 10 to the power of 2. This I will going to write in one root. 6 times 10. Here this and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. You'll get that is 6 times 10 root of 6 times 10. Here this I will going to write 60 times. And here I'm going to write 2 times 3 times. And in replacement of this 10, I'm going to write 2 times 5. Now we're going to multiply this with this and this with this. So here we get 60 times 4 times 15. And the root of 4 we have, that is 2 root of 15. And 62 times give us 120 root of 15. So this is another way to solve it out, the same expression. So thank you so very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel.